Hi, I'm Lou and I've been refurbishing my dad's old tractor. I've had several problems that have caused the tractor to stop running when it warms up, and I've fixed all of them finally. Some of these will also work with riding mowers. My first problem was that I had a bad coil. I knew it was an electrical problem because as soon as the tractor died from overheating, I checked spark right away and I got none. You can see I put in a new coil down there and took care of that problem. Next, down inside the gas tank, there's a filter that was clogged. I had to remove it from underneath the gas tank right in there, clean it out and reinstall it. Next, I had a leak in my gas line that was allowing air to get in, and you could tell it was a problem because this filter would empty of gas until it finally shut the tractor off. I would highly suggest you get a $4 clear filter to help you diagnose your problems. The last and toughest problem to diagnose was down here with the carburetor. The engine fan blows air across the muffler and exhaust manifold, which causes heat to go down towards the carburetor. I finally diagnosed this with a laser thermometer and found my gas bowl under the carburetor was at 140 degrees. This is where gasoline boils into a vapor and causes vapor lock. Once I figured out the problem, it was pretty easy to fix by putting in this heat shield. By the way, this is a Ford 821 tractor. Thanks for watching.